Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers Khan Ajilaga main headlines. NSF laga Inner Line Regulation Commission pra entry point sopte ILP check kurble janadashi. State Deputy Chief Minister Y. Paton pra country laga 2026-2027 budget Northeast region opor focus kranimite khushi janadashi. Union Budget 2026-2027 Manipur laga Jamala opor iku nakwa against Congress leader Kesham Megachandra pra criticize krishi. Asian Rifle and Pistol Shooting Championship 2026 aji New Delhi te shuru hoise. Naga Students Federation NSF laga Inner Line Regulation Commission ILRC pra manukunba NST bus or dusra transport services Ulta fale pra cholaikina ILP nathakikina Nagaland ahi taka report ba opor concern janadishi. Press release de ILRC janashiki ituto Old Nagaland Taxi Association ANTA pra taikan laga unit sop ke ILP to strict pra verify korikina ILP nathaka khan ke service na dibole direct ra pichte ahishi koishi. Commission warn kurishi ki ILP check na kuribo nimite dusra transport rasta cholato law laga against ase junto against strict pra action lobo koikna janadishi. ILRC pra state government, transport department, NST authorities, district administration or law enforcement agencies ke sub entry points, bus terminals, railway station or public transport thaka points stay strict ILP verification kurble urge kurshi. Takan bi manu nohoile official kun loto nachulai kna pai itu kan against legal action nubule demand kurshi. ILRC janashi ke ILP to kushi time te julai nohoi kna itu to ekta legal protection ase koi kna warn kurshi ki enforcement kamzor hoile ILP laga asul ki nimite ase itu laga meaning to hi hari jabo koishi. Commission janashi ki takan situation to ektam bhal pra saikna jaise ar judi manukun bi loto violate bhangai she koile takan thick step lobo koikna janarishi. ILRCB ANTA laga ektam strong stand opor khushi janai dikna ituto indigenous manu laga rights ar identity bachabo nimite ekta positive ar lagi thaka step ase koishi. Takan bi NSF laga federating units ar dusra stakeholders ektam alert thakikina voluntary enforcement measures or manukan ke bujabole kurikna jai thaka opor khushi janadishi. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi pra president naga address the motion of thanks time India China majute jamala thaka issue opor kotha kra pichte aji Lok Sabha te chaos confusion or dictar olaishi treasury bench pra Gandhi laga kothato against kurikna issue to pra House laga rules bhangai koishi. Gandhi pra BJP Member of Parliament Tejasvi Surya ke ta Congress Party laga patriotism junto ase country nimite moram opor sawal krato criticize kurikna former Army Chief General M.M. Narayan pra ta laga publish noha kitab te Ladakh border laga jamla likhikna thakate pra court kurishi. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh pra issue to against kurikna book to publish hoishna nai ito opor sawal kurishi. Speaker Om Birla pra rule kurishi ki publish noha kitab te pra court kurato house laga rules against ase koishi. Home Minister Amit Shah bi quotation ito to magazine te pra ase koikna Gandhi ki judi kitab to publish hoishna nai to clarify kuruble janadashi. Eneka hwa nimite opposition kan protest kura shuru kurikna house leader of opposition ke kotha kurble nadia accuse krishi Gandhi janashi ki talaga source to authentic original ase aro allege krishi ke government kitab to publish hubo nadibo nimite kuriya se kwaikina janadashi. Gandhi taike book itu court na kurble kwa nimite te court na kuribo kwaikina ekta border thakishe aro border itute dusra country laga forces gusi shikoishi charta thanks Kailash range te gusi thakishi koishi juntu pichte taike kotha kurble nadikina interrupt kurdishi hoilebi Gandhi talaga statement to continue kurikina itu same issue raise kurikina claim kurishi ki Chinese tanks India laga territory te gusi thakishi koishi Gandhi ke issue to por bar kotha na kurble koikina bi ta kuranimite speaker pra Samajwadi Party member of parliament Akhilesh Yadav ke kotha kurble time didishe kote Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav bi Rahul Gandhi ke support kurikina janaishi ki China laga issue to sensitive ase aro itu to country pura laga interest nimite kotha kurble lagi koishi. Speaker pra house to sam 3 baji tak nimite adjourn kuri dishi. State Deputy Chief Minister Y. Petonpra, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ke tai ja kali talaga 9 bar ola Union Budget present kura opor congratulate korikina 2026-2027 budget to ekdam bhal ase aru ito Prime Minister Modi laga leadership under Viksit Bharat laga sapna logote mile koishi. Deputy Chief Minister Office laga media cell hisabte Peton junaishi ki budget North East region opor focus kura pra Nagaland nishna dusra states junto poila fale bhal pra attention pa nai dukhan nimite national importance diato sabole pai kwaikna janadashi. Tai junaishi ki value bishi thaka khiti kura especially North East te agar wood cultivation to region laga natural environment nimite bhal ase junto pra local economy bhal kurublete modot hobo koishi. Peton junaishi ki animal husbandry fishery a rural business khante mon dia pra Nagaland nishna pahar states ke alag alag sources kamabole modot hobo koikna junaishi. Taibi MSME support to welcome korikna itu pra bitor areas te business hobole modot dibo koishi aru itu logote alag alag bhal initiative opor Deputy Chief Minister pra khushi janai dikhna Janaishi ki to pra ekta Viksit Bharat junto ase developed India aru Viksit Nagaland developed Nagaland laga goal achieve kurubo nimite ekta bhal plan day koikna janaishi. Congress leader K. Sham Mega Chandra pra Union Budget 2026-2027 junto Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman pra ja kali Lok Sabha te present krishi itu ekdam against korikna junaishi ki Delhi chup thakato bishi bhal pra sabule pai koishi ex te post korikna Mega Chandra pra junaishi ki 3 sal nishna pra Manipur to jolikna 1000 nishna manu displace hoikina ase aru families bishi ghor wapas jabole na parikina ase hoile bi union budget te ku nahwa nishna issue opor ku mention kuranai koikna junadishi taibi state karni peace aru reconciliation fund na thakato point out kurishi Rasta nimite rupees 12,000 crore budget allocate kura opor Mega Chandra janaishi ki citizens travel kuruble bhoy kha time infrastructure ki kurubo koikna janadishi. Tai janaishi ki infrastructure pra security laga jaga lubule na parubo koikna state krishi. Highway buna pra manu laga jokhom to bhal kuri na dibo ar balance sheets pra life biya hoa khan buna bule na parubo koishe. Manipur sympathy na hoikna justice importance or action demand kuri ase koikna janadishi. Sports news say Asian Rifle and Pistol Shooting Championships 2026 aji Dr. Karni Singh Shooting Ranges New Delhi te shuru hoishe even itute 2 hafta nimite Asia laga jaga alag alag pra elite athletes kan competition te participate kurble ase athletes 10 meter 25 meter or 50 meter rifle or pistol events te men's women's junior or youth categories te compete kurbo competition te events kan to individual team or mixed team format te ase kote Asia laga shooting talents kan sabole pabo championship te sob milai kina 17 countries participate korikina jaise.